Hi, I'm Sunina Young. Hi, I'm Sunina Young. Hi, I'm Sunina Young. Hi, I'm Sunina Young.
Hi, I'm Patricia San Pedro.
Last night I dreamt of San Pedro.
Let me explain that I am changing my name publicly back to my real name, which is Patricia, and my last name is different than it was before. It's now my married name, San Pedro. So Patricia San Pedro is the name that I will be going by from this time forward. And of course there is a reason for it. But I'd like to do a little story time first. Today is October 4th, 2019. And it just happened to be such a coincidence. Exactly 6 years prior, on this exact date, October 4th, 2013, I started yoga teacher training. And on that day, I remember we did circle time. All the yoga teacher trainees sat around in a big circle. It was like 30 of us, and then the 2 yoga teachers that were leading the training went around in a circle. We all introduced ourselves, and my turn came up. I had said, well, my name is Patricia, but I would like to go by my pseudonym, Sunina. And I even added a last name, Young, which is a part of my Korean name, Ji-young. And so I said I'd like to be called Sunina Young from now on. And I feel like the whole room kind of was like, what? But I was just so confident at the time of why I wanted this change. And the reason was because there was so much in my life that had ended, and there were so many new beginnings, and I needed a big change for myself. And I remember thinking in anxiety, I need to make something of this name. I am so tired of running around, and I feel like I'm in a hamster wheel, just running and running and going nowhere and with no direction. And so I said, I just started this new chapter. I'm transitioning from corporate world into fitness and beauty and meditation. I would like to really make a name for myself in this industry in some way. That was kind of like my motivation. It was this new persona that I wanted to take on and to sort of make successful in my own definition. I know a lot of my personal friends were like, really? Weird? Okay. But I just kept pressing on. It's a funny example, but Beyonce has Sasha Fierce, and I felt like I needed sort of a confident backup of my personality to push me forwards a little bit more. And that was Sunina Young. And Sunina Young, when I think of that name, it's somebody that's bright and happy and, you know, full of love and light. That persona really was, and it really did deliver. Go forwards to today, October 4th, 2019. Within the past 6 years, you know, so much has happened. I mean, in my personal life, I had 2 pregnancies, I got married, now have 3 kids, I have an amazing husband that supports me like crazy. That alone in my personal life is so much. And in my Sunina Young life, in my career, I have done so much to push my purpose forwards, and there have been so many synchronicities throughout the journey, and right now is the time to let go of the pseudonym and embrace my real name, because something happened from left field. A blessing came about, and it's a dream come true, And I feel like this was it, and this was what I was working for. Also is something very significant to me, since it's a name that I share with my children now, my family, and they're my biggest motivation in life. And it would just be so nice for them to know that I am super proud of the name that I share with them. So Sunina Young was an alias, and it did its purpose, it did its job. My intention in the beginning was to push forward with that name, for it to deliver some type of success for me, and it did, which I can't reveal at the moment, but I cannot wait to share it with you in the coming months. So please stay tuned to all of the self-care videos that are coming up. I will deliver them as Patricia San Pedro from now on, but branded Sunina. And to me, Patricia San Pedro, the name, is also full of love and light. It just has an additional side to it, which is the more real and raw and all of me. So it's a very exciting change. So I'd like to hear from you. Let me know what you think about this whole name change thing. I know it might be a little bit shocking to some, and to others, you know, you already know, because you might have known me before 6 years ago, and maybe some of you are like, who the hell are you? Like, changing your name. Let me know in the comments below what you think. I would love to hear from you. See you in the self-care videos by Patricia San Pedro. Love and light.